My name is Dr. Ryan Pfeiffer.
Reagan Anderson.
Shannon Bethel.
I'm a dentist here in Colorado Springs.
I'm a dermatologist.
I'm a co-owner and pharmacist.
We've been partnering with Pima Medical Institute for over 10 years.
I love working with Pima Medical Institute students.
Well, we chose Pima Medical Institute because they demanded that the students meet a certain expectation, because our patients demand that. They give us students who have had a lot of hands-on learning.
I have been partnering with Pima for around 5 years. We have ran into some very good techs.
Externships give medical practices the best opportunity to interview the applicant. And when you can have that experience and we can actually participate in someone's education while they're participating in your culture, then I think it's a great marriage between what the student brings and what Pima Medical Institute demands of its students so that they can go out and affect people's lives.
Pima medical students are the most prepared I have worked with. They treat it as the profession that it truly is.
So Colorado Springs is now on the map. Everybody in America wants to come to Colorado Springs. And when you have that type of massive growth, all industries need to increase what they can bring to the communities.
Throughout my offices in Colorado, I'd say maybe 60 to 70% are Pima medical students.
We hired Tracy. She's amazing, and she was sent to us from Pima.
My name is Tracy, and I graduated from Pima Medical Institute's Pharmacy Technician program. I did look at a few other schools along the way, but Pima just felt like it was a perfect fit.
There's endless possibilities here, from no matter if you graduate from Pima and want to be a medical assistant, or if you want to be a practice manager.
My name's Kim, and I graduated from the veterinary technician program at Pima Medical. So I'm currently working at an emergency vet clinic here in Colorado Springs. I started there from my externship, and actually a couple of weeks in before I completed my externship, they offered me a position, and I've been there ever since.
I believe that Pima is sending out qualified individuals that can work in a hospital setting, that can work in a big pharmacy that does 300 a day, or can work in an independent pharmacy like ours and give individual care.
Pima Medical Institute prepares us to be certified, and I know at least in the state of Colorado, it is a requirement now for pharmacy technicians to pass a national certification exam.
My name is Genevieve DiGiulio, and I graduated from the Medical Assistant program. Pima Medical Institute definitely set a higher standard going into other clinics. They noticed that they were like, wow, you're really prepared, or you know exactly what you're doing.
I would say that 90% of our staff has gone to Pima Medical Institute.
One of the great things about Pima from my selfish perspective is that it's right here in town. So I know that the people who are here are probably going to stay longer. They're probably going to be long-term employees because this is their home.
Being able to go through my program and still work in a place where I consider home, it's a really good feeling.
This community needs people with a little bit of passion and just a willingness to go above and beyond.
Just in my years of working with Pima Medical Institute, I can see their growth. Like this wonderful new building that they have, the additions of staff, that only meets the needs of the growing Colorado Springs and Colorado area.
I think all of us know that there are not enough medical professionals out there right now to take care of the demand. And so when you have institutes that are embedded within a city, that are putting forward applicants who this is their home and they have ownership of that home, I can't imagine practicing medicine without these types of relationships.